In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email used with Google Drive on your computer using Google's current interface. Start by opening a web browser and going to myaccount.google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign into your Google account. This takes you to your account dashboard. On the left side, click Personal Info. This section holds your basic details and how Google contacts you. Under Contact Info, click Email. Here, you'll see your Google account email. It's important to understand that this is the primary email tied to your account, and for most personal accounts, it cannot be changed. Your Google Drive files, settings, and services are linked to this account. So while the main email stays the same, you have two useful options to work with other addresses: setting a recovery email and adding an alternate email. If you want to use another email for account recovery and important notifications related to your Drive and other Google services, click Recovery Email. For security, you'll be asked to enter your Google account password. After that, click the Edit Pencil icon. Type the new email address carefully, then click Save. Google will prompt you to verify it, so check that inbox and complete the verification. If you don't see the message, look in Spam or wait a few minutes. Using a recovery email you can access at any time is essential. It helps you get back into your account if you're ever locked out. If your goal is to allow another email to sign in to the same Google Drive account, go back to the email page and click Add Alternate Email. Enter the email address you want to use and follow the verification steps sent to that inbox. After it's verified, you'll be able to sign into your Google account and therefore access the same drive, using either your original email or this alternate one. Keep in mind, this option may not be available for some work or school accounts, and the email you add can't already be in use as a separate Google account. Once you finish verification, your Drive content doesn't move anywhere. It stays connected to the same account, just with expanded ways to sign in or recover access. If changes don't appear right away, give it a moment or sign out and back in. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.